This is our island, surrounded by the ocean. This is our house reef, the guardian of our island.
Unfortunately, our house reef affected by the extreme event in 2024. Up to 25 meters of depth, they totally bleached, and most of them, they didn't recover.
For us, the ocean really is home. With Freedom Footprint Sustainability Program, we have been able to bring so many people together to protect it.
Thank you for calling Cora Cora Maldives.
We wanted to balance freedom with responsibility to our environment. We wanted to do a coral restoration. To be able to do it properly, we need to find a right methodology. That's how we came to know MARS Incorporated and SHEBA Group. This project started as a dream.
Until now, in 1 year, we developed 2 buildings in 2 different zones in shallow water. In the first 6 months, since we put the first Reef Stars, we had a 96% of survival rate. That is very high. The methodology is working.
And when we see that it started growing, we initiated to expand more this year for 1,000 Reef Stars.
2 patches of the reef at 10 meters of depth, it was possible to put Reef Stars. So actually we collected the corals in our house reef. We prioritize occasional fragments, so fragments that are already broken from the mother colony. It's been a little bit challenging because our house reef, it's really affected by the bleaching events of the past.
We know it's a long journey. We still have left years in our 5-year plan, but step by step, hand in hand, we are part of one of the largest ecological restoration projects in the Maldives.
We try to reach as many people as possible. The kids specifically requested that they wanted to experience coral restoration.
Kudim benum vi rashuga coral restore kurang ekam furta benum vi daskura. Kudim ikuri video to balada fa me warang easy kam ekam hama coral gingo smooth ga bahatta gen rope gassa kurani kam ekam paki centimeters ta ga balinje ka me project to dar restore kurang likud nitanun das vi etching ekudin nei india.
The kids will carry these lessons forward. Our guests leave knowing they have made a difference, and our team is out there every day restoring the reefs we all depend on.
So this project is very close to our hearts, to our management, and to all of our team to be able to make this success because the ocean is our home. I would like to thank MARS and SHEBA Group for believing in us. for supporting us and letting us use their methodology, enabled for us to do this large-scale coral restoration project.
Everyone that in any way is taking care of a little aspect to the ecosystem, thank you, because what you are doing is changing your little bubble. Probably will influence other people to do the same.
So our future plan is to plant 25,000 coral fragments in our own backyard, and also having a marine laboratory to study the corals and also to share with our guests as well as the staff and also the community around us.
Maybe our input, our work is not as big as is necessary, but we just want to do something good for the ecosystem and give back something, because of course we are part of the problem, so we have to do something about it.
It feels good to give back to the ocean, gives us so much.